taking charge of your research. Most students are afraid to write in the first person, usually settling for writing in the third person. Writing in the first person using I is taking ownership of your research and shows that you are taking charge of it. I'm Nicole and I'm here to talk to you about taking charge of your research. On the African continent and within the diaspora, there is a rich history of intellectuals across disciplines that have changed how we think about our world. As a young researcher, be confident in your ability to make a significant impact on crafting African solutions to regional and global issues. Do not be afraid to push back and disagree with what you do not agree with, because that is the whole point of research, to reveal your perception about a particular subject or topic in a discipline or field of research. Simply put, you should make decisions about your research direction and about how you want to go about it. This shows that you are independent, confident, and you are taking charge of your research. Why should you take charge of your research? You can never truly take charge of your research if you are not passionate about it and you are doing research just for the sake of it. In other words, a burning desire or a question of critical interest is crucial for you to be able to take charge of your research, especially coming from our African region, which is riddled with multiple crises and yet alive with so much possibility and talents. There are many reasons why you would want to take charge of your research. You would want to take charge because you want to make a meaningful contribution to your field. The more you know, the more you can contribute, right? Because the aim of taking charge of your research is to make a contribution and to be a change maker. You also want to present why you are doing the research you are doing and what positions you as an individual are taking. The position you take can be different from other positions taken by other field researchers. Taking charge of your research is important, and you should therefore never aim to do research for the sake of obtaining a degree or achieving any qualification for that matter. The purpose of taking up research should therefore be coupled with concrete aims that can be useful in the future.